In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Photoshop PSD as a PDF. If you've designed something in Photoshop, maybe a poster, a resume, or a mock-up, saving it as a PDF is a great way to share a clean, portable version that looks consistent on different devices. A PDF is easy to send, print, or upload, while your original PSD stays editable for future changes. First, make sure your PSD file is open in Photoshop and ready to go. Any layers, effects, or type you've set up will be preserved in your working file, but the PDF copy will be the version you share. This approach keeps your master file safe and untouched. Next, head to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. Save As creates a new file so you won't overwrite your PSD. In the window that appears, look for the Format drop-down and select Photoshop PDF. This tells Photoshop to create a PDF version while keeping the visual fidelity you expect. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list. Photoshop PDF is one of the standard options. Now give your file a clear descriptive name and choose where you want to store it. A simple naming tip is to include something like final or the date, so you can easily tell this PDF apart from draft versions. Pick a folder you'll remember, such as a project folder or your desktop, especially if you plan to share it immediately. Click Save. Photoshop will present a JPEG options window where you can adjust quality. Here's the trade-off. Higher quality delivers sharper images and smoother gradients, but it also increases file size. If you plan to print or need crisp visuals, push the quality higher. If you're emailing or uploading and need a smaller file, lower it a bit to reduce the size. Aim for the highest setting that still fits your sharing needs. A slightly larger file is usually worth it for important work. Once you've set the quality to your preference, click OK to finish. Photoshop will create your PDF with those settings, leaving your original PSD untouched and ready for future edits. And that's it. You've successfully saved your PSD as a PDF with control over quality and file size. Keep your PSD for ongoing edits and use the PDF whenever you need a polished version to share or print. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick, consistent export.